Hello everyone, I am S. Maimuto, 3rd BA English, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today topic about two Sunshine Sketches of a Little Town by Stephen Lee Clark. Stephen P. H. Butler Lee Clark, 30 December 1869 to 28 March 1944, was a Canadian teacher, political scientist, writer and humorist between the year 1915 and 1925. He was the best known English speaking humanist in the world. He is known for his light humor along with criticism of people's follies. Main characters: Mr. Smith, protagonist owner, Judge Pepperlick, Anthony Marcantini. Sunshine Sketches of a Little Town. In Canada, there is a little town named of Mariposa with a population around 25,000. But the sunlit town bustles with activity. There is a hostelry on the main street. Mr. Smith. One day, Mr. Smith actually awaits a telegram from the license commissioners. The Mariposa court had ordered Mr. Smith to close down the hotel for selling liquors after closing hours. Judge Pepperlick and Attorney Marcantini. Particularly on that day, Judge Pepperlick and Anthony Marcantini were inside the bar, and Smith had given 102 labels, and Pepperlick happened to be a conservative. Telegram. The four visitors suggested that perhaps Mr. Smith could open a hotel in the city, for he was a success as proprietor. His drink cost 5 cents or 6 cents for 25 cents, and meals and beds were free. Billy, the desk clerk, entered with the telegram and informed that commissioners give you 3 months to close down. Smith said had an idea. Within a month, Smith's hostelry had transformed into a craft like what they have in the city. A ladies and gents craft rat cooler soon Smith's new craft was packed, for not only is there a new French cook, but prices were very affordable, like 25 cents a meal. Renewed license. Everyone loved the place soon. The Declis food won over the town, including Judge Pepperly, and so it is that Smith license was renewed for 3 years. In the midst of all the celebrations, Mrs. Smith got Billy to send back all the tables because he had only rented them. The food soon tasted like any other food in town. After Albans, the French cook left. Mr. Smith promised to open a girl's room in the winter, but still only talked of it. The rat cooler was closed for repairs, but it will probably not be opened for the next 3 years. Thank you.